Okay, the directions here say find the area of each regular polygon. Round answers to the nearest hundredths place if necessary. So remember, a regular polygon means that all sides are congruent. So we could mark that on here. Just put one congruence marker on each side. Okay, so before we can find the area, we need to find the length of a side of the polygon. And to do that, we need to first find this x value here. So you see we have a right triangle. To solve for x, we're going to use the Pythagorean Theorem. So x squared plus 6.5 squared equals 8 squared. When we solve that, we get x squared plus 42.25 is equal to 64. You will subtract 42.25 from both sides of the equal sign because remember our goal is to get x by itself. When we do that, we get x squared is equal to 21.75. Then remember the inverse of squaring a number is to take the square root of it. So we're going to take the square root of both sides and we get that x is equal to 4.7. Okay, this 6.5 here, this is the apothem of the Pentagon. And so it's from the center of the Pentagon and it's perpendicular to the base and it bisects the base. So if this length here is 4.7, the entire side of the Pentagon is 2 times 4.7, so 9.4. So that means that each side of our Pentagon here is 9.4 units long. This is important because in order to find the area of the Pentagon, we need to know the perimeter. So remember, the formula for area of a pentagon, we've done this once before, is area is equal to capital P, which represents the perimeter, times lowercase a, which is the apothem, which again we said is the distance from the center of the circle perpendicular bisector to the base, divided by 2. So for the perimeter, we have each side is 9.4 and there are 5 sides. So I just represented perimeter with 9.4 times 5 times the apothem, which is 6.5, divided by 2. And then you can just type all of this into Desmos or a calculator. And when you do that, you get that the area is 152.75 units squared, and that is our final answer.